हाय गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग। आज हम शिलोंग जा रहे हैं। एक्चुअली हमें उठने में बहुत ज़्यादा लेट हो गया, तो मैं कुछ फिल्म नहीं कर पाई, लेकिन राइट नाउ वी आर इन अ ढाबा ऑन आवर वे टू शिलोंग। और हम लोग खाना खाने आए हैं। अभी चाय पानी कुछ पियेंगे, फिर शिलोंग जाएंगे। एंड कल ना बहुत ज़्यादा लेट हो गया था सो के उठने में। हम 2 बजे रात को पहुँचे एंड देन आई वाज सो टायर्ड, आई कुडंट फिल्म एनीथिंग, बट आई विल ट्राई टू व्लॉग टुडे। आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं। राइट नाउ इट्स अराउंड 10:30 एंड वी आर गोइंग टू शिलोंग, सो let's go on a journey with me. I will try to vlog as much as I can. So yeah, also guys, ये ढाबे का view is too good. Let me show you guys. There we go guys, देखो कितना सुंदर है। As you can see, बहुत ज़्यादा pretty area है।
I forgot to vlog this part, but we had aloo ke parathe for breakfast and it was quite nice and fulfilling. And then we headed to some local shops. As you can see, there's quite a lot of variety in here. And we spotted some pickle shops also.
हाय गाइस, मेरी मम्मी ना अभी पिकल ढूंढ रही है। यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे अच्छे पिकल्स मिल रहे हैं, लाइक मछली, प्रॉन और भी मछली का पिकल भी दिख रहा है मुझे। शी इज बाइंग दैट एंड मैं वेट कर रही हूँ उनके लिए।
So after going a little back and forth, she finally bought 3 jars of pickles. And 2 of them were fish pickles.
गाइस, आई वाज फीलिंग अ बिट प्यूकिश, तो मैंने थोड़ा बहुत लिम्का और चिप्स मंगवा लिया है एंड आई हैड दैट। तो अभी मुझे थोड़ा ठीक महसूस हो रहा है एंड वी विल बी हेडिंग टू शिलोंग सून। गाइस, वी हैव जस्ट स्टॉप थोड़ा अनारस खाने के लिए। यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा अनारस मिल रहा है। लेट मी शो यू।
Quick trivia, Shillong is famous for their fruits and pickles. And while shopping for our anaras, we also spotted more pickle shops और वहाँ से हम लोग explore कर रहे थे कि और क्या क्या options हो सकते हैं. Okay, so the pineapples were expensive to say the least. It was around $100 for one pineapple and we bought 2 of them. But nevertheless, it was totally worth the money because the quality was top notch. And then we finally headed to our first destination of the day, which is called Umiam Lake or Bada Pani Lake. Unfortunately, from this point onwards, my mic got muted and इसके बाद से मैं अभी आपको voice over ही देने वाली हूँ. So this pretty lake is situated on the outskirts of Shillong. If you are coming via Guwahati, then you can cover it before entering Shillong only. OMG, I can already see the beautiful, magnificent view of the lake. Also, there's a entry fee of 20 rupees per person to enter this lake. Also, there's boat riding available here, but since we were quite late to arrive here, so we did not opt for the boat ride because it was quite expensive and it was for a very short time of around 5 to 10 minutes only. Instead, we sat by the lake, enjoyed the nature and the view. We also took some great pictures and videos and it was a very nice experience there. Overall, I would say this place reminds me of Switzerland and it's an Instagram worthy place. So if you want to come here, please come early because after 11 or 12 p.m. this place becomes quite crowded and you won't be able to take pictures or enjoy the view. After spending an hour or so here, we headed back to our car because it was time for our next destination, which was around 1.5 hours away from here. At around 2:30 or 3 p.m., we finally managed to reach our second location, which was Shillong Peak, also known as Letcore Viewpoint. So the ticket price was 30 rupees per person. Also, we could not take our own vehicle for the actual viewpoint. So we had to rent another car to reach the actual viewpoint and that car costed us another 30 rupees, which was 120 rupees in total. Placed at an altitude of 6,446 feet, Shillong Peak is the most highest peak in the Meghalaya region and is also one of the most popular places to visit if you are planning to come to Shillong. Although the peak offers an enchanting 360-degree view of the entire Shillong city, surrounding waterfalls, the Himalayan range, Bangladesh plains, and the lush greenery nearby, we could not see anything because it got super cloudy as soon as we reached the location.
তোর ব্যাগটা কোথায় রাখ
Since we could not enjoy the view, we thought of enjoying the food here. So we ordered for boiled eggs, some tea and onion pakora, and needless to say it was yummy and so tasty. I mean you guys can imagine इतनी बारिश में गरम गरम चाय के साथ गरम पकोड़े मजे ही कुछ और है. Also guys यहाँ का मिर्ची is very famous. So हमने बाजू वाले शॉप से ये मिर्ची भी लिए. I don't know what the local people call this, but ये बहुत ज़्यादा spicy होते हैं and if you are a fan of mirchi, you should definitely try this. Done with the shopping and now we are headed to our third destination which is called Elephant Falls. As you can see, it was raining cats and dogs and we had a hard time reaching the destination.
गाइस अभी हम जा रहे हैं एलिफेंट फॉल्स और बहुत ज्यादा बारिश हो रहा है. हम लोग पहुंच ही गए बस.
Elephant Falls is situated in the East Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya. The unique part of Elephant Falls is that it is a two-tier waterfall set in the dingles of the rocks. This beautiful fall is made of three smaller falls and the combined stream adorns the fern-covered rocks below. The weather started to clear up soon and as you can see the sky looks picture perfect. What do you think heaven looks like? I think it looks like this. Oh, by the way, you can take pictures wearing the local Khasi tribal costume. There are many stalls serving warm drinks and snacks nearby for those feeling pukish after climbing up and down the winding stairway. After walking for so long, we finally managed to see the exit point and we felt a sigh of relief. After so much of walking and climbing, we were so hungry and we decided to visit our last destination which is Shillong's famous market called Police Bazaar. This place is the most happening place in Shillong and you can go street shopping, binge eating, especially non-veg food, and you can also get hotels at a very affordable rate here. After searching for a lot, we finally managed to find the place we were looking for and it was called EC Cafe. This place is famous for their bakery and they also have a restaurant inside, so we decided to visit this place. This place is one of the finest place to dining in Shillong, located near Police Chowk. It has a wide range of foods to offer from authentic Thai, Asian or Chinese food to sandwiches. It's very tasty and value for money. The only con is the service which is quite slow, but nevertheless the quality of food makes up for it. Here you can see me clicking pictures, taking videos while waiting for the food. Also we ordered for two different dishes. One was minced pork noodles and the other one was miso chicken ramen with mushroom and eggs. While the noodle was served quite early at about 5 to 10 minutes after ordering, the ramen took so long to arrive, like I was craving for it. And finally it arrived. We have some yummy food and we ended our day with a great note.